The UK generates 220 million tonnes of waste each year. Of this, 27 million tonnes of residential, commercial and industrial waste cannot be reused or recycled and must be sent to landfill, exported overseas, or processed in energy from waste facilities like Enfinium, Kemsley in Kent. 11 million tonnes of this waste still ends up in landfill. Of this, 7 million tonnes is biodegradable, meaning it will decompose within landfills to create methane, a potent greenhouse gas with the potential to be 80 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. This is unsustainable. At Kemsley Energy from Waste Facility, 657,000 tonnes of waste is processed into homegrown energy to power 160,000 homes and businesses, including steam to the neighbouring DS Smith paper mill to decarbonise their manufacturing process. Energy from waste facilities provide a vital contribution to Britain's homegrown energy supply, reducing our nation's reliance on imported energy sources. Enfinium is constantly looking for ways to minimise the impact of its operations on the climate, and by partnering with Fortis, 100% of the ash generated from the combustion process is recycled into a sustainable manufactured aggregate for the construction industry. Fortis are known as leaders in the processing of IBA, and their state-of-the-art Ridham IBA Processing Facility is strategically located less than a mile from the Kemsley EFW, keeping vehicle movements and carbon footprint to a minimum. When ready for processing, the IBA is fed into a hopper and through a series of conveyors into a rotating screen that separates the material as it travels through the drum. The material that is less than 65 mm passes through the screens and continues into the processing plant, whilst the larger material is diverted for alternative recycling. A flip flow screen then splits the IBA into 3 sizes. These 3 grades of material are passed over eddy current separators to recover metals. The metals are sent for secondary smelting, which relieves the burden on mass extraction of low-yielding metal ores. Once the metals are removed, the different grades of material are blended back together to form Fortistone IBA aggregate. Fortistone is used within the construction industry as a sustainable alternative for primary materials which would otherwise have been extracted from our precious resources. It is widely used as a subbase in the construction of roads, car parks, structural platforms and footpaths. Unlike quarried aggregates, Fortistone IBA aggregate as an aggregate source will not deplete or face the ever-increasing challenges associated with mineral extraction. Its use in construction will preserve our world's natural resources. It is a low-carbon construction product that can make a significant contribution to our collective sustainability goals. We are in the midst of a climate crisis. The construction industry has a vital role to play to protect our planet, and choosing alternative and more sustainable construction materials is now essential to achieving the construction industry's net zero ambitions by 2040. By transforming waste into electricity and a construction resource, both Enfinium and Fortis are working together to form a circular economy, easing the environmental and economic burden on landfill and our natural resources and providing a solution to our waste.